What's up, people of Earth? What's up, guys? So yun, I'll be vlogging for a bit, just to talk about it. Just to talk about you guys. Just to talk about what's happening. So, ayun. Ngayon, pauwi ako ng Manila ulit, papunta sa dorm. And one of the things na ayaw kong gawin lately is to just hold this camera and turn on video tas mag-vlog. Ayun yung pinaka-ayaw kong gawin lately. And I've been scared sharing my thoughts. I've been scared of sharing anything, to be honest. But now I just did it, and as you can see, nagba-vlog ulit ako. And ayun, I will make bali ngayon December na, diba? So I'll make my 2025 next year, right? So I'm prepping for the changes na pwede mangyari this January. So I'll be trying hard this 2025, and ayun, I'll be doing my best. My best na hindi lang ako basta nagsa-survive this year. This year I think I just survived, and I enjoyed a bit the year kasi I've come to a realization na I've come too far, and sobrang layo ko na. Kanina pumunta ako ng school ko nung high school, and one of the things na na-realize ko dun is legit na matanda na ako. I'm literally 21 years old, and ayun, matanda na ako. Kasi nakita yung mga high schoolers dun na nag-enjoy just like me before, and I said to myself, pwede naman akong parang dapat pala nag-enjoy ako nung high school ng sobra. In-enjoy ko lang yung situation, yung nangyayari and everything. So basically, ayun dapat yung ginawa ko nung high school. Pero wala na akong magagawa kasi nangyari na eh. So what we can do, diba? So just change the present moment. Kumbaga baguhin na lang kung anong pwedeng baguhin, diba? So ayun, with that, ngayong college nararanasan ko kasi ulit yung mga nangyayari sa akin ngayong dati nung high school. So yung out of confidence, not trying out things, being scared, nagpapadala sa flow ng klase. Yeah, so nawawala yung creativity ko as a person. And isa pa dun syempre, hindi naman vlogging ang course ko, hindi rin naman siya filming, so hindi siya connected to any. So isa yun sa dahilan ba't di ako nagva-vlog, kasi hindi ko siya kayang i-focus. So kapag vlogging kasi kailangan mo mag-focus sa siyempre vlogging, so posting, ganyan. Hindi ko rin siya magawang hobby kasi minsan may times na nade-drain ako, ganun, whatsoever. So ayun, it's kinda bad na ganun. So ngayon, unti-unti balik tayo sa dati na sitwasyon, and I hope we'll be ready to do it. So ayun, marami na talagang dumaan ng tricycle. Hindi ko lang talaga dinadaan, hindi ko siya sinasakyan kasi ayun, I'm talking with you guys. So ayun lang naman, based on that realization, just enjoy your present moment. I must enjoy my present moment kasi ayun, ayoko nang mag-regret. I must do things properly this time. But if I'm gonna do something, I must do it properly. So yeah, that's kinda it. So ayun lang naman, ingat sa akin papunta ng Manila. And may klase ako ng 1. Hindi ko lang papasok ako kasi may OR pa ako, which is Operational Research. And I hope na ma-extend yung deadline nun kasi apakahaba ng problem set. So I hope it all works out for me. So I'm gonna end it na. So it's 5 minutes. Itakimasu, and see you on another video, guys.